trip service is now just $50 per month for a single line on.
Trying to come back. He's trying to come back. It was at your window. Come. And then they look at you gotta go.
You can't be ducking out right there at the edge. They gonna see your head. What are you gonna do?
I'm getting in the car. Getting in the car with him. Hey, you found me. Hi.
Listen,
Hi.
man.
Look, whatever
let's
I
talk
can
it
get to
out.
upset you, I promise to God I'm sorry.
Calling in my favors, if you love me, gon' push me. Said I'm calling in my favors, if you support me, then book me. Look, I'm calling in my favors, friend, gon' share my shit. Said I'm calling in my favors, if you with me, show that shit.
But with Verizon, the same tried and true service is now just $50 per month for a single line on.
Y'all, look what my family got me doing. This why I don't be going nowhere with them. We always end up in something like this. Why?
Well, that's the situation.
It's gonna be our new life.
We need a different car for this.
Oh.
Some
Dad, you
trucks.
remember we went somewhere. I don't know what we was doing. I think we was doing that thing with your camera stuff where they had you doing
We're
and it
down at
looked
the
like
end of
something
the
like
world.
this.
Yeah.
I was like, oh no, we got to go back.
Inner city was looking like this.
Man,
She was like, "When God pull over on the side of
You
the road,
still-
you have to pull over and let
you
them go."
still going.
Ah, we ain't nowhere near still going. Like we ain't in there yet. These the maintain roads. We're gonna ride off on the dirt road in a little bit.
But be careful on these rocks.
Somebody been out here.
Yeah,
Drinking,
niggas
They
with
gonna let it.
niggas with Ford trucks and
Niggas
big
with
old
attitude.
tires and stuff.
Ford F-150.
It's like big time motherfuckers, man.
I thought it was going to be about 2-3 years before this shit actually happened. After we, before somebody come out here.
Man, this motherfuckers.
Still don't see no things.
You still going, mama? You got 9 minutes. Relax.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. You just on the dirt road. You ain't at the location.
What exactly are you supposed to see? Oh my God, it's a mailbox. Oh shit!
That's what you're supposed to see, Bree.
It was a bunch of Ninas.
Oh my God. That's too much. That's too much. That's too much. God damn
She
it.
said, "That's it. I want to
Take
go
me
home." I
She
want to go
almost
home.
ran. It was
From
really
4 dogs.
funny.
Cause where
You
am
was
I going? Out the
You
car.
finna jump out and outrun them?
The back of Daddy's chair. It's so hard.
Like, do something. Damn.
I just was not prepared. I'm not normally that scared of dogs, y'all.
They came out of nowhere.
They
The
really
noise
did. It was
muffled
already,
until
we already in this creep ass spot. And then I went, ooh, a mailbox. And then it just,
I said, "Oh, a nigga."
right. Like, I know y'all heard us a mile away. Why weren't y'all already barking?
Seen
Goddamn
one of
it.
those. Cause we used to hear trucks and shit back here. So.
I know you are. I see the tires.
I didn't even know she meant this much what you call it, get up in here.
Well, one thing, I can take this white collar shirt off.
Yeah, because you got to be a real nigga out here.
Yeah, just in case. The deal.
Oh, Lordy. Mama, you 6 minutes away, baby. We came 3 hours. Get there.
We're gonna do this.
What's the matter? Slow.
Ooh, you can smell the fresh dirt and earth and shit out here. Boy. This land out here get real rain.
I think she wants you to drive.
Get out of here. I was hoping it was like...
Get that motherfucker. He big.
You said, do something.
I don't know if motherfucking Kendrick Lamar. Damn, you can like it.
Y'all know I ain't supposed to be out here. I'm not made for this shit.
The terrible part about it is we gotta go and get out here and go, cause back in here I'm sure it's some bugs and mosquitoes and
I ain't
shit.
getting out. Fuck them bugs and mosquitoes.
I feel like it's so much different if there's a bug outside that I can
I need to pay a videographer because I be missing all the moments. What was that
Be
though?
living.
It had to be a locust or something.
Nah, it was a big fly.
That was not a fly.
No.
That jump about this big.
I've seen big
it
horse
felt
flies.
like
That
that.
wasn't a fly.
That ain't no kind of fly.
Well, let's
Why the trees got purple things wrapped around them? I keep seeing it every once in a while.
Could be hunting markers.
Oh, duck, they. Won't even be passing them.
Oh, they got a red house barn.
Couple of them over there. Oh,
She just hit the brakes a little bit, y'all.
That was a lie.
Y'all niggas supposed to get goddamn.
we don't want to fall down up in here now. Mama, you alright?
That's the car. Rolling down the hill.
We getting to some better maintained road here.
Yeah, I don't feel like it.
I just know whatever the fuck you doing in here, it's gotta be your own business. Can't nobody be out here. What,
You can grow some.
crack straight out the. Why?
If they run across here, I'm gonna holler, do something bad.
This is real camping.
Ain't nobody found that city.
I ain't even tried to look.
Mine got one.
I got a bar.
I have to Facebook a motherfucker a message.
One bar. You still need Wi-Fi to do that.
A little creek.
What? For real?
Yeah. It's not gonna send. The street getting louder and louder, dang.
Yeah, the further you get away from
Life.
civilization and shit.
Got up here yet?
No.
Mama, you doing? We ain't going for 10 miles in an hour.
It's 1 minute away, more like 5, but you'll be there. Go on and admit you don't want to be out here.
This is a little bit more than what I was expecting.
I'm like, fuck this shit. How we reverse this down payment?
You already put it down? Oh, shit. I'm staying in Memphis. Call me when y'all got street.
Yeah, they gonna send us our deed. They say from the moment your down payment is accepted, you can do what you want on the land. Yo.
I don't want to do shit out here on that land. I need a couple more fucking people around. This is too civilized.
Yeah, we'll have to come out here with a group.
Need to call Alex.
One of the camping.
That's who you call.
We need to call
He one of them people. Call his ass.
He the only nigga
That's
come
all
up
I
here
know.
and get us. I know that much.
Look, you hear me? That's the
If
only
we ever
person I
flat,
know.
he the only nigga we can count on.
I can't think of damn another person.
Who?
Man, he'll try.
Man, you gonna be lost.
But he'll try. He'll
They're
get
gonna wrap it.
Oh my God.
I'm telling you. Y'all gonna
There's
see.
shit out here.
That was a whole hair. That was a little bitty rabbit.
Yeah.
I'm just saying,
I
y'all
just don't
saw
want to
it.
see what was chasing him.
Exactly, because he was running.
There was a lion behind him.
Tigers and bears out here, goddamn.
Like that, they're trying to beat the cop.
That rabbit was gone long before we got up on it. Oh no. Alright, here you go. This it.
All right.
How we supposed to know?
I think we just arriving.
Oh shit, roll your windows
Sound
up.
like ours.
They sound like them bitches will jump in your car.
Oh, they're golden. They're so pretty.
They so fucking obnoxious. Mama, where you going?
Away from the damn dog.
Now, with no service, how exactly are we supposed to find out which side is it?
Well, there's people on the left, so.
Over there was a lot. I think we.
Must be got one back there. They don't got no signs on them.
Yeah, this is an address.
Shut up. That looks like a community farm. But it don't have no,
A gate like that.
You got a gate and don't have no what you call. No, I don't see none of the things that say this is like whatever it is.
Right.
Oh, it's supposed to have signs like the garden
I thought-
did.
Yeah,
It should, because you don't want to accidentally trespass. So if you don't see no sign, don't
Right.
walk on it.
it's supposed to be a sign.
Not out here. And we black. Don't do that. I mean, we're not walking on it without no sign. That part. Okay, that's not exactly where the red dot is. So should we go up a little more and try to see if we can find a sign?
Yes.
This one?
Yeah. Up and on the left. Are you going the wrong way? It's saying the wrong way.
Oh, it turned around.
That
Okay.
motherfucker turned around. I've never seen the arrow do that. I've never seen it do that.
So smoothly too. It just I want to let you know.
What?
What's up, Dad? Catch up in the picture. We must be really close to this.
It must be next to these people with these obnoxious ass dogs.
Please get your dogs.
It's next to them.
Oh, right
It's
here.
probably their next lot.
Let's watch it, Michael Jackson again.
Yeah.
Probably. Yep, it gotta be. It's up in there. His address on the left.
What lot are we looking for? 8? They can't.
Oh, they camping.
This is definitely a camping spot. There's nothing else over here.
I don't know about all this, y'all.
Man, I'm gonna shoot them the same way.
No, I'm talking about the track, the driving.
I mean,
We'll
what you
get
mean?
us
It
the
don't look no
driveway
different
if
than
we
what we
live
just
out here.
did.
This is what we came to see. The track. You fuck with them folks in the house. The car got so quiet for a moment.
The dogs got so quiet. Everything.
Everybody shushed.
Worry about you, right? You get too tough for us, I'll let you know. Well. Okay.
Look like they're going.
Into the woods.
Yeah, and how you gonna turn around?
You can't, you gonna reverse.
I mean, shit.
I mean, this all we came to see.
Yeah.
We know ain't nothing else down there but trees and
The
bushes.
creek must be down there.
Yeah.
Y'all think it's a far walk?
I'm not walking out here. Have fun with that shit. We ain't got no pistols. No.
Somebody needs to come show you your land.
They definitely need to, cause it's back.
Keep going, keep going.
God damn it! Roll you windows up. Oh, oh, he trying to come back. He trying to come in. It was at your window. Look here at my window. He harassing me. Did you see it, Lisa?
I saw it.
Oh my God, cause ain't nobody gonna believe me.
Mama, we know when to stay down, but she's
But she the one over there ducking for dear life.
That motherfucker said, get the fuck out of here.
You finna go out the road. Shit.
Ooh, it's huge. It's the landed on.
Oh,
Go ahead, baby. What you?
I'm trying to see.
she don't trust your navigating.
I know it from over here. I'm doing better than you.
Lord bless the child.
Where they at if all their dogs tied up over here?
They sitting in that car. And then they let camper thing.
You gotta go the other way. Cause that's too far. It's to the wilderness. Oh my God. Wait, we ain't got no service. How we gonna know how to get the hell out?
The same phone we came in this motherfucker on.
But does it show you a route back? Or is it just streets? See? Wait. Stop. Why you got service? Put a address in.
Shit, your
I've been
ass.
sweating the last few days
You
out
greasy
there.
like
hot.
a piece of chicken right now, though. Hot flash around this bitch. Yeah, that's what she spiked.
No, it said boom boom.
If you'd had the watch on there, that motherfucker would have blew up. You can't be ducking out right there at the edge. They gonna see your head. What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna get in the car. Getting in the car with him. Hey, you found me. Hi.
Listen,
Hi.
man.
Look, whatever
let's
I
talk
did
it
to
out.
upset you, I promise to God I'm sorry.
Let's talk it out.
And mind you, if you scare me or threaten me too hard, I might pass out, okay? So just be easy. Be fucking easy, okay?
Hey,
What you need me to do? Am I gonna slave me? Can you feed me?
I done walked through shit like that.
Can you get me to civilization? Whatever you need, whatever you like. Please get me out of these damn mountains.
Yeah, I gotta try my babies up. They gotta get some goddamn tactical and some motherfucking warrior trying to
I'm not gonna be able to do it. I'm gonna get caught walking through the trees and bushes. I'm gonna be screaming the whole time. Just their bed bugs, mosquitoes. Everything gonna come after me if I go in there. The people, the animals, I'm gonna get got. Regardless if I go in there.
What about little shit like that? Can you just walk up there?
I can walk through there.
You think so?
I can't tell the depth of how tall the grass
When they
is.
get out of the grass.
Come to my waist? Hell no. Cause let me
Shit,
tell you, you know how tall our grass just was,
That
right?
shit drop down about your chest.
You know how tall our grass just was, right?
Yeah.
I ain't like walking in it.
You're right. Nobody did it.
Not that I was
Grass.
scared, it's touching me, it's too tall, it's too much.
Yeah, we used to have to walk through what kind of shit in the woods. We used to have to walk through the woods. We got to school and shit. That's what it was. That's right there in Walker Home. Goddamn it. That was off of King Road. We were cutting through the woods going to Mitchell.
The closest I've ever been to being in the woods is when we went in the back of our woods in our house. And even that was cringe. I was wrapped up like bubble wrap. Socks over my leggings, boots over my knees.
I gotta do something like that.
What you gonna do about it?
I gotta get y'all
You be a bodyguard? Cause that's how you got it.
Get y'all exposed to more wildlife.
Why would you do that? I'm not
Cause y'all
interested in
freaking
that.
out off a butterfly about 5 minutes ago. Both of y'all.
It wasn't a butterfly.
Y'all fucking cameras and
That
shit
was
like
not
that.
a butterfly.
Don't move.
That wasn't freaking out. We wanted to get a picture.
That was excitement.
It was pretty. It
I
was
mean,
cute.
what was the difference? Okay, so boom, the butterfly.
No.
Bam. Next thing, fly through the window. Here come a fly.
That was not a
Entirely
fly. That
different.
was the devil's
Y'all damn
seed.
been passed out back there. I thought everybody had an episode. I grabbed the wheel, mama gone.
That
The
was
fuck?
not a fly.
Yeah, I mean, it's
Please
crazy.
stop downplaying it. It was not a fly.
It was a big fly.
It
Mama,
wasn't.
yes, you was. You froze up.
What fly? The first
It wasn't a fly. Neither one of them. You just being extra. It wasn't a fly.
Mama.
Yes, you did. Because I was like, do something about it.
It was-
But I didn't stop it though, so
Yes, you did. The car was
It
stopped.
was
Yes,
a
you
big,
did.
it was a big fly.
Dad,
Not a little fly.
it wasn't a fly.
I don't know. I ain't easily freaked out like that.
You're a man. That's fine for you not to be freaked out.
That ain't got nothing to do with my fucking gender because I ain't just.
I'm saying that's fine. You said you walked through this. You've been through that.
I ain't freaked out about it like this while I'm driving.
Why she being so dramatic? Yes, she did.
Alright.
And she downplayed.
I'm hungry.
It's a McDonald's about 29 miles. Shit. Sure. Mama said, didn't we miss a McDonald's?
I tell them that I'm bossy and cocky. I want four rings like an Audi, like my new whip, yeah, he